Hey guys, welcome to Tactim channel. Hope you guys having a nice day. Today in this video, we're going to learn how can you backup your contacts to Gmail. So at first, just go to your contacts. Now here you can see in the bottom last fix and manage, click on it. Or you need to just go to your settings. Now just go to your settings. Now in the top here you can see control how contacts backup and sync. Click on it. Now just pick a Gmail account that you want to backup your contacts and click on review and import. Click on the bottom import from SIM. Here you can see all the contacts has been imported to your Gmail account. So guys, that's how you can backup or import contacts to Gmail. Hope you found this video helpful. If you found this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for watching the video.